Welcome back. I told you I picked up a couple. So probably one right after the other. It's another one I know nothing about. I didn't even know it was out. But, I mean, this house has got so many clones out, and they tend to get lost in the shuffle. Which is sad, because they used to be creme de la creme, really, for guys my age in junior high and high school. But now they tend to get kind of, like I said, lost in the shuffle almost. Whether it's by design or by their own fault or just people. But anyway. CK Free for Men. Another one that was $79.99 for $19.99. So let's open her up. Know nothing about it. Like I said, I didn't even know this one was even out. That's the box. CK Free for Men. Let's have a look at the bottle. Don't even know what the bottle looks like. Alright, that's kind of neat. Color of that juice is kind of an off greenish aqua green, very light tint aqua green. That could be the glass or it could be the juice. I can't tell. Either way, it's a neat looking bottle. Ooh, yeah, I kind of like the cap. There's the information that some people like. I don't get it. I mean, like I said, I don't think this one's going to be duped. But holy fuck. Let's give it a spray. Oh, I don't like that sprayer. Oh, there, it got better. Just took a couple sprays. Kind of like this one, I think. Citrusy grapefruit or something right off the top. Definitely some melon of some sort, I think. Lavender's in there. It's got a powdery vibe. Not overly powdery, but you can smell it. It's nice. It's I don't know what the dry downs are going to be like. I'm going to have to wear it, but like I said, it's just a first impression, so it's basically going to be top notes. Kind of reminds me of slightly Paradise by Alfred Sung. That fruity, citrusy, papaya, melony top, you know? A little more lavender than that, but it's got that vibe to it. Yeah, I think that one's going to be alright. Worth $20. I don't know if hot water's going to be. But, yeah, nothing wrong with that one. It smells Calvin Klein-y, if that makes sense. Safe, synthetic and safe. You know what I mean? Man, I wish Calvin Klein would just fucking come up with something that just ridiculously fucking blows everybody away again. Because they were the kings, man, back in the day. Escape, Eternity, Obsession. Man, that shit, Obsession, I've said it before. It's like the fucking DNA of every fucking Oriental fucking spice you wear now. It's just... Don't get me wrong, I'm not trashing it. There's nothing wrong with crowd-pleasing and safe. It's what it is. I mean, nothing wrong with that at all, but... Just, man, Calvin Klein used to be so up there, and yeah, not that this is bad, it's actually pretty good. It's just not anything to write home about. I mean, it's citrusy and melony and sweet. Slightly sweet. A little bit of lavender, I think. Nice scent. Nice scent. I could see me rocking that. I'm not sure about the hot water. Like I said, I'll rock it tomorrow and have to come back and see if it's something that it's just gonna be a shelf piece or something I wear. Anyway, guys, I'll be back in a minute. I'm gonna stretch. Have a good one. Peace. Love. Be good to each other.